To replace the thermostat with minimal disassembly, just remove one plastic hose, one rubber hose, 5 bolts, and 1 nut. That's it. Just don't skip a second, because you'll see 6 easy-to-understand steps on how to replace your engine main thermostat the smart way. Step 1. Drain the cooling system. Step 2. Remove the main plastic coolant pipe. It is held in place by 2 bolts and connected by 4 hose clamps. Step 3. Remove the lower quick-release hose from the thermostat housing. To access it, first disconnect 2 connectors and 1 bracket. Step 4. Remove the upper hose. Step 5. Pull out plastic coolant pipe from the thermostat housing. It is attached to the engine block with 1 bolt. Step 6. To remove the thermostat, unscrew 2 screws. Bonus tip for successful assembly. Clean the surfaces first. Then install the thermostat and tighten it all the way. And only then, press this plastic tube in. From here, everything is simply put back together the way it was taken apart. And finally, fill the cooling system. Set the cabin heat to maximum and start the engine. Do not forget to monitor the coolant level the first few trips. These engines usually have 2 thermostats, so if you want to learn about the second one, click on this video.